Okay, hello and greetings once again from Japan on this beautiful evening we have here, end of July. It's just a gorgeous summer evening. It's about 6 o'clock p.m. and around, well, I think we had about 34-35 degrees during the day. It's getting a little cooler now. So we have a very nice Vellfire. It's a 2016 September. The car came from Toyota, and the Toyota auction gave it a grade 4.5, which is unusual for them for a 9-year-old car. So the car is exceptionally nice. It's got 34,000 miles, which is 54,000 kilometers. And it has some nice options. The 3.5 Vellfire is fairly rare because the Vellfires are only about 30 to 35% of the production of this of the 30 series, because most of them are Alphards, and also the 3.5 engine in Japan is less popular than the 2.5, and especially the hybrid. The hybrid is very popular, but costs a bit more. But hybrid in Japan is a hugely popular version of any car, basically. And I can't understand why the UK hasn't really caught on to that as much as they should. It's incredibly economical by comparison, and very simple. So anyway, here we have it. It's the 3.5 ZA-G Edition. So it has the captain's seats in the back. This one comes with twin sunroofs, and I believe optional, if I'm not mistaken, unless it's standard on the ZA, I'm not sure, but I think it's some of the front kit. Yeah, definitely parts of the front kit are dealer option, which makes it a little bit more unusual. And it has the standard 18 inches alloys with good radial tires, and the car is just very, very clean. Unlock it. And again, a 4.5 from Toyota. So these days there are a lot of 4.5s turning up in auctions, but basically it's gotten to the point where for a grade 4 car, grade 4 cars in most auctions now, they were 3.5s, and now they're grading them 4. It's really a tricky business right now. Buying cars in auctions. It's you can still buy good 3.5s in the maker auctions, pretty much, and certain auctions for sure. But if you're going to go to some of the auctions, some of the bigger chains, no names mentioned, you don't even bother to look at a grade 3.5 unless you're a guy that doesn't mind doing paint and repairs. So that's the way it's gone, sadly. The auction grading is getting worse. So anyway, but we're still finding really nice cars. Okay, let's open the back gate. All the 3 doors are all power assist, of course. I mean power operated, remotely operated. And this one has the half leather and cloth interior. And as I say, sunroofs and rear entertainment. Also, conveniently, it comes with the full spare, not just the emergency repair kit, which is preferable, I think, personally. It's got the rear camera. As I say, it's the V6 3.5 litre, which is an incredibly nice engine. Vellfire, all-round parking sensors, of course, and all the wheels are perfect. I mean, it's very probable this car must have been garaged. It's a one-owner vehicle, so it's Tank the Norfolk Terrier. He's heard there's going to be a barbecue, so he's getting a bit nervous for his, doesn't want to miss out. Okay. And as usual, of course, there'll be a folder, a Dropbox folder with probably at least 70 photographs, so you can take a closer, timely look at everything. Open the doors. Oh, push the wrong button. Here we go. As you can see there, the half leather cloth seats. And it will come with 3 remotes plus a couple of smart keys. Okay. And the middle seats and front seats are all power assist. And you've got a very nice rear entertainment with the sunroofs. And give me a moment to move this seat. When Toyota went to the 30 series, they made these rather large captain seats a lot easier to slide, which is nice. If you ever had a Norfolk Terrier, they are pretty impatient. Okay, but they're very sweet. Okay, oh, one of these keys has them. I think the battery's flat. Okay. Here is the door card with 3 memory positions for the driver's seat, which is convenient if you and your partner happen to both drive the car and like different positions. Okay. You can see. Okay, sorry for a little break there. The camera overheated, so we had to cool it down. So let's take a look. And you can see the carpets are like new. I think they must have had throw mats on top of them, which is always a sign of a one-owner car. When the carpets come in like they just come from the dealer. Okay, so let's start it up. Okay, I better be quick. It might overheat again. I don't know. So here we are, and we have the it's the Vellfire, as I say, and you can see all the warning lights are off. I mean, as far as we can tell, the car is in perfect mechanical order. And up here you've got the drive recorder, and you have a rear camera, various little glove boxes and cup holders, and here you've got the nano air filtration, and here you've got your manuals. Convenient little controls for moving the adjusting the position of the passenger seat. Front sunroof. Up here you've got controls for the sunroof and the power doors, and here you've got the controls for the speed adaptive radar cruise and the audio and Bluetooth. You've got heated steering wheel and auto lights, and a convenient little, well, for those a lot of you have probably already taken a good look at these 30 series, so a lot of this stuff is obvious to you, and there's probably other things on this car that I'm not aware of, but they will all be detailed in the description. And sorry, I'm going to move along because I don't want to overheat the camera again. So bling, and we can take a quick look at the the motor. Great. It's the V6 3.5, and as mentioned, the combination of the 3.5 litre V6 and the Vellfire is probably the least available of the models of the configuration in the 30 series, because the Alphard is twice as popular, and the 2.5 and the hybrid engines are a lot more popular. Personally, no, I would go for this 3.5 litre V6. It is so smooth. I have a Lexus and it's got basically the same engine, more powerful, mind you, but it's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. So if this car interests you, I probably missed something, but anyway, if this interests you, please do talk to Paul at Jap-Auto-Agent, and with his decades of experience, he can take you through the process of purchasing the car, and our decades of experience shipping cars. We've been in this business nearly 30 years, and get the car to you as soon as it's possible. So again, a lovely, lovely car, and thanks for taking the time to watch, and I'm going to go off and have a few beers and a barbecue. So bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.